Hello my crafty friends and welcome to a fun unboxing video. Today I'm showcasing 4 different paper pads which are absolutely amazing. These are the DIY blocks by Studio Light and you already know my love for pattern papers. You will see how amazing these are once I go through them. The idea is to show them to you all and you can choose which is your favorite. Let me know down below in the comments and I will come back with your most favorite to make 10 cards using just this paper pad. Whenever you see a paper pad by Studio Light that has that scissors with an X on top, it means that it gives you elements that you don't have to cut out. All you need to do is to just pop them out. So this is the first paper pad. It is called Love to Create. This one is all about crafting, but you do find lovely everyday images, as you can see. You will find that you get all those die cuts twice, so there are 2 pages identical. And you will find that there are 12 different pages with these elements in total in this pad. You do get tags, little stars, lovely smaller elements like sentiments that are great to create clusters, as well as those bigger elements that are great as panels on top of a card. And the other half of those paper pads are pattern paper, so you do get matching papers to work with as your backdrops, as your backgrounds for your projects. These are double-sided pages. If you are wondering, this is an A4 about a letter sized for the US friends, and it is 170 GSM cardstock. I find it's perfect for card making, for scrapbooking, even for those who love to create albums, but I also love it for my mini journals where I create something really quick and simple in less than 5 minutes. So remember again, this is the Love to Create, and let's move on to the next one. Don't forget, you need to choose your favorite and leave it down below in the comments. And this is the Vintage Treasures, full of vintage images. If you are a lover of vintage elements, make sure to check that out. I know you are going to have lots of fun using that. And I'm going to share a little tip of what I like to do with those paper pads. When they do give you images that pop out, I always bring an envelope and just stick it at the front cover, just like so. When I craft, I like to pop out way more images than I will actually use on my project, just because I like to audition things, and this is a great way to store whatever I haven't used. And I'm going to browse quickly through this pad as well, so that you can get an idea of what's included. Again, you get 2 pages of each design, and there are 12 in total of those pop-out elements. And as you can see, you will find here old photos, vintage objects, but of course you do get many sentiments as well as tags. I know that I will be using this specific one a lot, and then after those 12 pages that come with those pop-out elements, you will find again pattern paper. Again, these pattern papers are double-sided. These look white on camera, but they do have a very fine design, which makes it perfect for backgrounds. And again, here you get 2 pages of each design. And again, remember, this is the Vintage Treasures. And let's move on to a very unique one. This is called Wild and Free. Absolutely lovely color combination, and it is packed with animals. This is perfect for those who like to create cards, but also for those who like to create themed albums. And I find that it is also perfect for those scrapbook pages, for all those times that you spend at the zoo. I also like the color theme because it gives you an opportunity to create easily masculine cards. And you see here again, apart from the images of animals, you do get tags, you do get sentiments that you can use. And again, it is the same concept as the rest of the DIY blocks that you see previously. You do get half of it with die cut elements, and the other half is packed with pattern paper. And on all those pads, I like that they give you lots of options of pattern paper, but also solid colors that match perfectly with the rest of the die cuts. And again, remember, this one is called Wild and Free. And let's move on to the 4th one that has been just released. This is called Explore the Universe. And it's all about the space. You will find here many kits, you will find planets and spaceships, lots of stars, satellites, even animal astronauts. And there are also sentiments that you can use as well as tags. I feel like this is a perfect collection if you want to create cards for kids. And again, half of the paper pad includes pattern paper. And again, remember, this is called Explore the Universe. And what I love about this release of DIY blocks by Studio Light is that they give you 4 completely different designs, completely different themes, and I'm sure there is something for everyone. Below you will find links to these blogs both in US as well as in Europe, and don't forget, leave me a comment down below and let me know which one of those DIY blogs is your favorite. I will use your most favorite to create 10 cards out of it. So that was the video for today. It was a great find since I absolutely love cutouts and pattern papers, and I just had to share them with you. So bye bye, and I hope you'll have a lovely day.